Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. You don't need pull-ups to build a stronger upper body. Here are 3 moves to try instead. You're right, while pull-ups are great, there are plenty of effective upper body exercises you can do without them. Here are 3 pull-up alternatives that still build strength in your back, shoulders, arms, and chest. Number 1. Inverted rows, aka bodyweight rows. Muscles targeted: upper back, lats, biceps, rear shoulders. Why it works: it mimics the pulling motion of a pull-up but is more adjustable and beginner-friendly. How to do it: lie underneath a sturdy table, broom across 2 chairs, or a suspension trainer. Grab the edge or handles with both hands. Keep your body straight like a plank and pull your chest up toward the bar or table edge. Lower slowly and repeat. Pro tip: the lower your body is to the ground, the harder the move becomes. Bend your knees to scale it down. Number 2. Pike push UPS. Muscles targeted: shoulders, especially front delts. Upper chest, triceps. Why it works: this is a fantastic bodyweight exercise that strengthens your shoulders, a key element in pull-ups. How to do it: start in a push-up position, then lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape. Lower your head toward the floor, aim between your hands, then push back up. Pro tip: want to make it harder? Try placing your feet on a box to increase the angle. Number 3. Resistance band lat pull-downs, or towel isometric rows. Muscles targeted: lats, traps, rhomboids, biceps. Why it works: simulates the pull-ups motion by isolating the lats and upper back, perfect for building strength toward future pull-ups. How to do it: with band. Anchor a resistance band above head level, like over a door. Grab both ends, kneel down, and pull the band down to your chest while squeezing your shoulder blades. No band. Grab a towel, hold it tight in front of your chest, and pull it apart, using your back. You'll feel the burn. Pro tip: focus on slow, controlled reps to increase time under tension. And there you have it, 3 powerful exercises you can do anywhere to build upper body strength without needing to touch a pull-up bar. Remember, fitness isn't about fancy equipment or doing what everyone else is doing. It's about consistency, smart choices, and making progress 1 rep at a time. If you've been struggling with pull-ups or just wanted to switch things up, these moves will challenge your muscles and help you build the strength and stability you need, whether your goal is to do your first pull-up or just sculpt a stronger upper body. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.